but the step is correct. But when you do this part, you just have to just well organize in the corner a little bit, you see? You make sure that it's straight and you go there. It's the same thing, but you make it straight more. You see that?
Yeah.
That's it. Golden brown, so you don't throw, but you slide them in,
we're going
like
in?
that. Yeah,
Okay.
slide them in. And then from there, use a small tongue.
Okay.
So you won't burn your hand. Put in a plate and go eat, yeah? Hey, very good. How to do it, but you don't slide the egg. You drop the egg in the middle. Yeah, you're too rough. You see what happened? You peel underneath, you know. We make Thai fried egg, like a California style. We drain it like that, no oil.
No oil, yeah.
Put the egg on top of the rice. The color,
Yep.
you can smell like
Yeah,
a
I can
nutty
smell
smell.
nuttiness.
Okay, take it out. When you smell that and the color coated,
Take them out.
drain, no oil, yeah? That's it, you go eat. Yay!
Thank you. Look, say cheese.
Yes, you can add sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Last group in, together, faster, now. Mix. I said 3 times, like put the last group in. I walk out, put the last group in. It's still not in. Put the last group in. I came 3 times.
I'm sorry. I didn't know what.
Okay, you see what happened? Beautiful. You see the egg?
Yeah.
And the chai leaf darken.